Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color different kinds of balls. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I'll divide it into 6 small squares. At first, I'm going to draw a soccer ball. I draw a circle like this. Then I draw the rest. Now let's draw a basketball. I draw a circle again, then some lines like this. Now I draw a volleyball. I start with a circle again, then I divide it into 3 parts. Then I draw some lines like this. Now I draw a football. I draw the shape of this ball. Then I draw the rest. Now I draw a baseball. I draw a circle again, and the stitching on it. Last but not least, I draw a tennis ball. I draw the circle again, and I finish it like this. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I leave the soccer ball alone as it is black and white. For the basketball, I use this orange marker. For the volleyball, I use some blue, but I leave the rest white. The football is going to be brown and white. For the baseball, I use some red. Then I color the tennis ball yellow. Finally, I color the squares behind the balls with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, dark green, dark blue, purple, awesome! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.